Helo, Sarah Tudor ydw I, a dwi'n dysgu Technoleg Wybodaeth yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Hello, my name's Sarah Tudor and I teach ICT at Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. The new GCSE course, Digital Technologies, is available in Wales from September 2021. Therefore, you will be the first pupils to go through this qualification at Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Mae Technoleg Digidol TGAU yn gwrs newydd sydd ar gael o fis Medi ymlaen, ac felly chi fydd y disgyblion cyntaf yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy i fynd drwy'r cymhwyster yma. Pwrpas y cymhwyster ydy adeiladu ar y sgiliau y wybodaeth a'r ddealltwriaeth digidol a ddefnyddir mewn bywyd ysgol a bywydau bob dydd. The purpose of the qualification is for you to build on the digital skills, knowledge and understanding that is used both in school and everyday lives. You will develop a lot of skills, byddwch chi'n datblygu llawer o sgiliau yn ystod yr cwrs 2 flynedd yma. Fel ydych chi'n gallu gweld ar y sgrin, mae yna eiriau sydd yn sefyll allan. Byddwch chi'n dod yn disgyblion annibynnol, hyderus a wybodus wrth ddefnyddio technoleg newydd, ac byddwch chi hefyd yn defnyddio amrywiaeth o feddalwedd. So, from the screen, you can see that some words stand out. You will become independent, confident, and knowledgeable users of digital technologies. And you'll also have the opportunity to use a variety of new software. Asesiad. Mae yna 3 uned yn y cwrs yma. There are 3 units in this course. Uned 1, y byd digidol, a byddwch chi'n cael eich asesu mewn arholiad ar y sgrin am awr a 30 munud. So the first unit is the digital world, and it's an on-screen exam for 1 hour 30 minutes. The second unit, yr ail uned, arferion digidol, a mae hwn yn asesiad di-arholiad, a mae ganddoch chi 45 awr i'w gwblhau. So the second unit, digital practices, is a non-exam assessment, and you have 45 hours to complete it. The third unit is communication in the digital world. It's also a non-exam assessment, and you have 15 hours to complete it. Uned 3, cyfathrebu yn y byd digidol, asesiad di-arholiad, 15 awr i'w gwblhau. So fel ydych chi'n gweld, uned 1, 40%. Unit 1 has a 40% weighting on the course. Dyna chi drosolwg, ydych chi'n gallu gweld, ydych chi yn edrych ar systemau technoleg digidol, gwerth technoleg digidol, a safbwyntiau ar technoleg digidol. So the overview, digital technology systems, the value of digital technology, and perspectives on digital technology. So what does that all mean? Okay, so fyddwch chi'n edrych ar data. Okay, you'll be looking at data. The difference between analog and digital data, and how we store that data. Okay, so beth yw gwahaniaeth rhwng data analog a data digidol a sut mae hwnna'n cael ei storio. Byddwch chi hefyd yn edrych ar dyfeisiau digidol gwahanol, okay, different digital devices. You'll be looking at how humans interact with computers. Ni'n edrych ar sut mae pobl yn cyfathrebu efo cyfrifiaduron. Byddwch chi'n edrych ar sut mae technoleg wedi newid y ffordd yr ydym wedi byw, yr ydym yn byw rwan, a sut mae o'n newid y ffordd dyn ni'n gweithio. We'll be looking at how ICT has changed the way we live and how it's changed the way we work. We'll also look at the future, beth yw'r dyfodol? Sut mae technoleg yn newid? How are digital technologies changing? Uned 2, Unit 2. Mae yna 2 rhan i'r uned. There are 2 parts to the unit, a mae'r uned yn cyfri 40%. The unit counts as 40% of the course. Yn y rhan cyntaf, fyddwch chi yn holi data mewn teimlen. Fyddwch chi'n chwilio, didoli a hidlo data er mwyn gwneud hynny. So the first part of Unit 2, you'll be interrogating spreadsheets, analysing, sorting and filtering data to do that. The second part is a bit more creative. You have the opportunity to develop a digital product of your choice. You can either create a video game using Game Maker, or you can create an animation. Felly, ydych chi'n gallu datblygu cynnyrch digidol o'ch dewis, megis gêm fideo, gan ddefnyddio Game Maker, neu fedrwch chi creu animeiddiad. Bydd angen i chi gynllunio, datblygu a gwerthuso'r cynnyrch er mwyn sicrhau fod yn addas i'r ddiben ac i'r gynulleidfa darged. You'll need to plan, develop and evaluate the product, making sure it's fit for purpose and suitable for the target audience. Uned 3, Unit 3. Mae hwn hefyd yn uned asesiad ddi-arholiad. So this is also a non-exam assessment. You'll be looking at social media platforms. You'll be looking at typical demographics, learn about their features and how they are used for marketing. So fyddwch chi'n edrych ar demograffeg y cyfryngau cymdeithasol, dysgu am un o nodweddion a sut y ddefnyddir ar gyfer y marchnata. Fyddwch chi hefyd yn cael bod yn greadigol yn fan hyn. Fyddwch chi'n creu ased digidol, megis hysbyseb fideo, a fyddwch chi'n defnyddio testun, delweddau a ffilm er mwyn creu y fideo yma. So you also create a digital asset, such as a video advertisement using a variety of text, images and film to do so.
If you'd like to learn how to make powerful websites that can sell or inform, presentations that persuade, and spreadsheets that can track information and make complex calculations in a hands-on way driven by practical work, then ICT is the subject for you. I'm a Year 11 pupil and I've really enjoyed the course. You learn interesting theory on multimedia, data handling and graphical images, and apply it through the coursework, which is the main focus. You'll build logos, presentations, databases, and much more. It'll develop brand new skills and push ones you already have. It's fun, applicable, and has brilliant career prospects. It's one of my favourite subjects, and I'm sure it'll be one of yours too. I really recommend GCSE ICT.